Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something amazing. So I'm going to be showing you my PC that I want. So let's get into it. Okay, so today I'm going to show you all my wish for my PC. So yeah, it's 350 watts out of 800 watts. Yeah, that's my power. It's $3,159 a month. It's definitely not the best, but my plan is to upgrade it every once in a while, you know. So yeah. Uh, so here we go. So for the case, I chose the it's a mid tower. Um, let's see. It's the iBower Trace or iBower Trace 5 MR tempered glass ARGB gaming case. Oh yeah, this is also by iPower. Just wanted to let you guys know that. It's a part of the 360mm processor cooling support. So yeah. The case fans I chose with the 4-pack. It's a 4-pack ARGB Game Dust Elus M2 124R 120 millimeters, I think, and addressable RGB fans. And they also come with a RGB remote. I'm gonna stutter a lot in this, so yeah, be aware of that. For case lighting, I chose just normal RGB lighting sticks like this. I buy Power Labs. I just noise reduction. I just chose none. So for the internal expansion, I chose this thing. Internal USB expansion system. I don't know exactly what it does. So, feature. USB module embedded with Realtek RTL. Okay. Okay, so for the processor, or the CPU, we got Intel Core i5 11 or 11600 FKF processor. So yeah. Next, we got the 360mm liquid cooling slash processor or CPU cooler. So yeah. I just got the normal one. I kind of wanted to go with this one, but oh wait, sorry, no. Oh wait. Oh, I accidentally chose a different one, sorry. I wanted to go with this one, but it's just a little over, and I don't, yeah. Maybe I'll switch it, just depends. I didn't want to go with custom liquid cooling. In my opinion, I actually don't like liquid cooling. Because what I'm afraid of is what's going to happen. I'm afraid that the pipes are going to break, and all the liquid is going to go onto all the components and basically kill the PC. Anyway, for the RAM, we got 16GB, 8GB, two 8GB sticks, and we got the G.Skill Ripjaws V version, which is this one. I would go with the this one. It's a little too expensive though. So oh wait. Okay. Maybe. It's the same amount of months, so okay. Video card. I chose the Nevada GeForce GT 1030 2GB because I don't really need the best graphics card. Also, all of them are really expensive, so this one's only $200 more. It gives you a lot more FPS, you can see that. But it's fine. Motherboard, I chose the Asus Prime 2590p with Wi-Fi in it. So yeah, right here. Power supply 800 watts and it's gold. So yeah, we got the red pin motherboard thing. So yeah, we got 500 gigabytes for the primary storage, but then we got 3 terabytes with the secondary storage. So 3.5 terabytes. Got the card reader. We got this thing. No sound card since we don't really need it. Actually, it won't even let me. We got the PCI Express USB. We got Windows 10 Pro with a Windows Recovery USB. So that's pretty cool. We got two 24-inch Asus gaming monitors. So yeah, that'll be cool. Got some cables, of course. We got this keyboard. This keyboard is amazing, by the way. Like, look at that. Look at that sleek design. A lot of you people who like black stuff are probably not going to agree with me, but there's a black version of this where it's orange and black instead of white and cyan. But yeah, this is amazing, bro. I love that so much. Select it again. For the mouse, we just got a normal iBuyPower mouse. $5, you know, it's not that bad. RGB too, not very much, but we don't need the best mouse in the world. Unlike this thing. It looks cool, but who needs that type of mouse? Am I right? Gamers, big gamers probably disagree with me, but yeah. For the mouse pad, we got this thing. Basically, it can expand with, you can put your keyboard and mouse on it. It's big. So, oh, did I accidentally unselect it? There we go. For headphones, I was originally going to go with this, but that look how clunky that is. Unselect. Look how clunky that is. I don't really like that. So instead, for only less than $5 more, I gone with this, which is more clunky or less clunky, and it has a little bit more RGB to it, so it's just cool. Didn't do anything with this, but this got a webcam. Yeah, we got the Blue Yeti USB microphone. Pretty cool. We didn't do anything with Stream Desk because I'm probably not gonna stream that much, to be honest. Maybe in the future, but not right now. We gone with this gaming chair, red and black, very cool. Gone with a gaming table. I just realized this like a little bit ago, like yesterday, but this is actually more expensive. I did not notice that. Then we got the speakers, 8 watts. Yeah. Then we got external USB drives. Got this one, 16 gigabytes. I don't exactly know what it's for. Oh, I thought I had one of these selected. There we go. But I gone with this for my external USB. Gone with the wireless router. Very cool. Just gone with a normal power strip, cause sorry. Do you hate it when you're like trying to plug in all your PC stuff, but then you don't have enough of these? Oh, yeah. So that's why I got that. You got accessory computer tool kits, charging cables. I guess I don't know. Wait a minute. Feature. Okay. Then we got the iPower Safeguard packaging. This is basically a packaging that they have, so it doesn't break while shipping or anything. It's like one of those things where it's like guarantee will not break. So, also, why do I have this? We don't need thermal paste. And then we got 3 years standard warranty plus 1 year return ground shipping. US only, of course. So yeah, that means that will take about 5 to 10 days, business days, to ship, which is about maybe 2 weeks, which isn't that bad. And then we have a bunch of games here where it can play good. Cyberpunk, 20 FPS. Cyberpunk's a big game, and I'm probably not even gonna play it, so I really don't care. Overwatch, 110 FPS. You've seen that through the whole video. World of Warcraft, 175 FPS. Very good. I'm also probably gonna play on 1080p. So, Fortnite. I don't really play Fortnite that much anymore, but it's 105 FPS. Pretty good. So I'm seeing that this PC isn't very good for 144 or 1440p, but it's pretty good for just normal 180p. Fortnite CS:GO, 265. I'm actually kind of surprised about that. It's pretty good though. League of Legends, 180 FPS, pretty good too. Call of Duty Warzone. This is another one where it's not going to be that high, but it's still okay. Probably not going to play that much, but still okay. 40 FPS. I feel like the reason why it's not as good is because if I upgrade my graphics card, it'll be higher, but I don't care. Valorant, another really high one, 305 FPS. And finally, Minecraft. Yeah, another high one, 355 FPS. I'm probably going to mostly play Minecraft on this machine, so that'll be amazing. Anyway, that's my PC tour. That's what I want, at least. Things might change. I don't know. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you later. Bye.